To add audio to presentation, I will come over to my presentation document here. Go to my design tab here just to select a template I want to work with. I'm going to select a dummy template for the sake of this tutorial, and let me apply all 7 pages. To add audio to this presentation, I will come over to upload here, and you will see where it says record yourself. From here, you can generate an AI voice if you have a script you want AI to read for you, and choose voices and languages here. I don't want to use an AI voice, I want to record my own voice. I'll click on record a talking head. It opens up this window for you to record, and you want to select whether you want your camera on or off. Me, I want to record without my camera on, and I'll hit on record. Once this countdown happens, you start saying what it is you want to be recorded. I am a creative content with a human. I create creative content with a human touch. And once you're done recording, you want to click on done. This has recorded into the first page of this. You want to go into the second page and also do a recording there. You want to start your recording after the countdown finishes. About me, I mix simplicity and emotions with strategy. Once you're happy with that, you want to also click on done. You want to do this for all your pages here. You can also come in here and doing your record. I say content based on script, insights, and trend. Once you're done with your recording, you want to click on save and exit. Now, if you come into all these pages, we did a recording on them. You'll see that we have our video sign here. Now you want to come into this video recording and click on the transparency and tone down the transparency. One thing I also do is to go into position, and I want to come into layers and move this video here behind this image so it's not seen. So I don't mistakenly move it, and I can now choose to lock it so it doesn't move anywhere. And I can come into this place and do the same. Let's move it down and let's tone the transparency down. You can do it for everywhere you have your clips.